In your way already?
All right, there we go.
People will love this.
Yeah, right, coming right up to the camera too. Giving it a little sniff. My name is Nick. I am the master electrician with 128 Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric, and I've been with the company for about 6 years now. So right now we are on our way to a job in Billerica. Looks like we're going to be installing some ceiling fans and maybe running a new dedicated circuit for a screened-in porch. So it is just about 7:30. We just got to our customer's house right on time, and we're gonna go check in with them and see what we've got going on today. No, it's fine. He's all right.
Excitable.
Yeah.
He doesn't bite, he's just excitable.
No, I remember him.
Easy, Tucker.
What's up, buddy?
Right?
Yep.
Hi, Nick.
How you doing? Hi, buddy. Hi. You can let him go. He's
I don't want him to knock over the
Oh, well, yeah, that's true. Hey, easy, buddy.
He's very friendly.
Hi,
I swear to
buddy.
God, he doesn't bite.
What I want to do is just go over what we're doing. I just want to make sure we're on the same
Can we
page.
add one thing to it, though?
Maybe,
I
well, I don't know.
It's just an
Yeah.
outlet. Honest to God, if the dress is not pushed all the way up to the power strip wire,
Yep.
it won't stay in, so nothing stays plugged in.
Gotcha.
So I don't know.
So it's just
what-
old.
Yeah.
We just need to, okay.
So-
Because that's basically, it's just the metal inside.
Okay.
Spreads
Oh,
after
and then-
time.
So it's like
It's just two pieces of metal. Yeah, no, it's just two pieces of metal, and then the plug just slides in between. So
Yeah.
over time, those pieces of metal,
Yeah, 'cause
they
it
spread out.
literally
and then
falls
it
right
doesn't
out.
make a good connection
Yeah,
anymore.
'cause I was like, why isn't nothing working? And then I went, this was the one I was supposed to show you.
Yeah, no, that's fine. We can replace that. I didn't want to be an electrician at first, but I got into it working with my uncle as a high school summer job, and it just seemed to work for me. So I've stuck with it, and here I am. I like everything about working at 128. The camaraderie with the guys is great there. I mean, we have top-notch technicians and employees across the board, so no complaints. So right now we have taken down the ceiling light fixture. We're going to be installing our fan-rated bar box up in the ceiling so that we can mount our new customer supplied fan. But before we do that, I got to cut this hole out just a little bit to make this box fit. So safety goggles on, ready to go. So now that we have our fan rated box in the ceiling, which is necessary in order to hang a fan, they're a little sturdier, they have extra support that helps keep the fan secure to the ceiling with the motion and the rocking that is natural with the use of a fan. And we've got our fan brace up there ready to go, so now it's time to assemble our fan and get it ready to mount on the ceiling. Nice. Lovely. All done. So down here, we're installing a new circuit for the screened-in porch out back on the deck. So we're gonna be coming out of the electrical panel with a new dedicated circuit. Snake that through our open bays, and we're gonna come through the outside wall, transfer over into EMT piping, and EMT pipe up through the flooring of the deck to come up to our new GFCI box and GFCI receptacle. And then from that box, we will continue our pipe over and up to the outdoor ceiling fan in the porch. All right, so here we have our junction box. This is where we're transitioning from our Romex wiring, which is meant for indoor use only. So as we transfer to outdoor in our piping, where we're gonna be in a wet location, we have to change over to our THWN, which is meant for wet locations to be run outside through the pipe. Boom. Right now I am just making a list of the materials that I'm taking off the truck to perform the job that we're on right now. I will hand this into the office warehouse so that they can restock my bin in the warehouse so I can restock the truck. So as I use stuff, we put it right back on, so we're always fully stocked, ready to go. So we got your new fan piped up and over.
Oh, wow.
All set.
That's beautiful. And so we don't have to worry about anything inside, right? It just comes on and off right here?
On and off right here. Nothing inside anymore.
Nice.
Yep.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't thank you enough. It's already perfect. I want to sit out here tonight in the rain.
There you go. Oh. That's it. Hi, buddy.
With you.
Yeah. A pal.
Mama would never get rid of you, husband.
All right, so it is about 5:15. We have finished here in Billerica, and customer is happy, and I'm happy. So all in all, a good day.